Hello guys, good afternoon. Okay, today is Saturday, the 4th day of May 2024. Just want to journal the trade we took last week on Euro USD. Okay, last week we did all our analysis and got all these confluences right here where the weekly was bearish, daily bearish, and 4-hour was bearish too. Okay, bearish, bearish, and bearish. This is what we had last week. Okay, so if you don't know how we get it, you can see the market formed lower low and was forming lower high right here on weekly time frame. Okay, we are having higher high. I want to make this video very short. Then we had lower low. Everything that was happening in here on weekly time frame was just market structure, nothing else. Okay. Then on daily time frame, we had market was, let me count, let me just cut out Monday. Okay. This is Tuesday, this is Monday. This is Monday. Okay, so this is what we are having on daily time frame. We can see market was bearish. You see, this is lower low, lower high, and market was testing our area of interest on 4-hour time frame. On the same day, we are having all this. Okay, we first of all took these long trades last 2 weeks. Okay, then market kept on retesting this particular zone, breakout and retest. This zone that was broken out, market retested it first time, hit our take profits, touch it again, went up. So it was touching it again now. And with what we were seeing, market made higher high, higher low. Sorry. Market made higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, lower low. That is why our 4-hour was bearish last week. So we are waiting for market to come up to this angle. You guys have remembered what I told you about my entry. Okay, I wanted to see market since we had this inverted head and shoulder. I want market to, if I'm about to take a long, I have explained this before. Let me use this time to explain it again. Okay, since we had inverted head and shoulder right here, inverted, as we had inverted head and shoulder right here, this is inverted head and shoulder, market made higher high, and we bought at the retest of the last lower low before we got this of the second to the last lower low. Then on, if you have head and shoulder, I will wait for the last higher to this I wait for the second to the last higher high. Okay, I will just wait for market to come up there. Then I go to lower time frame. Make sure that, and I will make sure that market form inverted head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, and I will take the trade mainly, majorly on London or New York session. Okay, so I just marked this and we waited. Okay, now on Monday, you can see our confluences to go short. They should be confluences to go short. like this is not where I marked up this chart last week. Because everything should be there. Let me check. Okay, so maybe that's not where I marked the chart. Wow. Okay, you see, even our dollar self, we marked this chart last 2 weeks. Now dollar is right here. All right. Then Euro USD. I think, yeah, this is where I marked the chart for last week. This is where I marked the chart. Okay, good or fine. This is where I marked the chart last week. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Yeah, because I was wondering why this place was showing me conferences to go long. Okay, so that last week, we are testing this, our AOI, that is the area of interest. So I was waiting for market to just come up here. So, we are using this EMA, this 50 EMA on 4-hour or daily. And on daily time frame market, the market have touched this EMA. So we are under the EMA candlestick rejection from AOI. You can see market rejected, yes, the test of the previous market structure. Yes, market tested it. I gave it 10%. Prime psychological level. Yes, we had prime psychological level on 1.07500. Okay, we had all these things. Then I was waiting finally for my entry signal, which is shift obstruction on 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. And I told you guys that most of my trades, I took them from 30 minutes. Okay, so we go to 1 hour to see what's going on there. We can still see the head and shoulder that have formed. We're just waiting for market to come up and do what? We're just waiting for market to come up and pick the this left shoulder and then drop. Give us engulfing candle. You can see, give us engulfing candle and then drop. So here we didn't have any percentage here as far as when I was recording a video last week. Now let's play and see what our market approached that zone. Okay, so this is my first trade. This thing should stop playing now. Mado. So this was my first trade from 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see that beautiful evening star. This is a beautiful evening star candlestick variation for people that wait for entry confirmation. You just mark this place, but I don't do it as I have. So you see how I just entered the trade, boom, on 30 minutes. So I didn't look at 30 minutes, and even on 30 minutes, look at where the trade was ready, 7:30. Okay, I would have entered the trade right there to get, you see why I said that I prefer entering trade on 30 minutes time frame, because I get better entries. Then my stop loss should be above this structural level. So you can see my stop loss is 32 pip. Now where I put my take profit, since market came up to more than negative 61.8, my take profit should be at negative 61 right here. Okay, which is 1:3, a very fantastic trade, and I took it confidently. All right, because it gave me it's aligned with my confluences. All right, so that's why I took the trade. So let's now see what happened. That's on Monday. And you remember this zone here on 4 hour time frame. I showed you that the zone was the the last structure that market has been testing. So that's the box here. Because we'll be on 30 minutes to see exactly what was happening. Okay. So this trade, we were in profit on Monday. The trade was going well. No panic zone. You know, you don't panic. You take your trade and you rest. You see, our trade entered profit, then started going up. You know, newbies in trading, we start. Why I put my stop loss down here is because I explained it on the first video I did last week. It's on this zone, 1, 2, 3. This particular place. Let me pull line. Okay, on daily time frame. This is where I put my take profits, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let me just keep it there. I like using zones where market will react to take my profit. Then market started. Some people do entry on FIB. Okay, my trade just gave me all the entries I needed. I would have waited for this, but it's not necessary. I was inside the trade, okay? So some people can actually take this trade from here, you know, put their stop loss right there. You can actually take this trade. But let me check the time. That's 13 o'clock. You can actually take the same trade from here, and put your stop loss here, up here. Then you take profit the same place. But I didn't do that anyway. I didn't do that because I have entered my trade where I wanted to enter it and sat on my hands to see my trade play out or hit stop loss. Okay, market was now doing its thing. I was okay. We got another entry. But all these entry now happened outside my trading hour. So I didn't pay attention. It's none of my business. Okay, you see, our trade entered profits. Then what happened here? This thing is too fast. I want to see why I took that trade. The trade here, okay? Right up here again, you can see the same type of candle here. Look at it here again. That is why I took this trade. Around what time? What time is this? This is 13 o'clock New York session. Okay, beautiful trade. And we are in profits. We are in profit. Market was, you know, market was in profits, going down. Okay, that was on which day? That's on Tuesday. I sat on my hands, just watching what market was doing. Okay, we entered mega profits. Okay, now I waited for market to, since we have broken this area that market was respecting. I saw market coming up there, then you can see engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. Let me check 1 hour. Okay, I just took the trade right here, put my stop loss up there. Okay, now markets did what? On Wednesday, news came out, market stopped this. I didn't take this one though, because it didn't make much sense to me. Then when market broke out this place, I started contemplating. Okay, some people use something like this as other block, people that does SMC. I started having some intrapersonal conflict inside me. Should I close this trade when it retest here and start going up. Okay, this market started dropping. This candle was actually a big red candle. I saw it, okay? I was like, this other block, market might move. I was like, let me just allow market to do its thing. All right, immediately market dropped, picked this place and started going up. I was thinking, but as we all know, you should hold your trade to the last. It's just newbies that we enter a trade, maybe jump out or do otherwise. Okay, so it's good you let your trade play out or you learn from maybe whatever that's, that just played out. So I was watching this thing, and why I like journaling why I love journaling my trade is because of some things like this. Okay, so next time I will pay attention if something like this occurs again. Okay, I just left the trade. The market was just dancing around. Okay, so now this is Friday. Market finally took me out. Okay, market finally took me out. Stop loss was hit and I lost money, which is not a bad thing in trading. It's a fantastic thing in trading. Meanwhile, on DXY, there is something I have been expecting. All right. So on DXY, I've been expecting something, and finally, market is there. Market was there, and as we all know, market was bullish right here. Let me delete this. So we have started fresh analysis now. So on weekly time frame, DXY is bullish. Okay, DXY is bullish. DXY is bullish. This is higher, low, higher, high. All these are market structures. Now, this is I explained how I got this. We are waiting for market to come down to this place, so we can actually write our, like I told you guys before, if you are trading USD pair, you need to always take what DXY is doing. It's very important. Now, DXY is there should be confluences to go long on DXY, okay? On DXY, confluences to go long. So first of all, check what DXY is doing. All right, so on daily time frame now, you can see, let me delete these things. All right, so we are finally waiting for the DXY to come to our AOI. This is not actually a rocket science. And on Friday, it came to that place. This is our EMA 50. Market retested it. You can see the candlestick rejection. Let's take 4 hours so that we will update our, what is it called? All right, so right here we have our higher high, higher low, blah, blah, blah. Add all this market structure. Then finally, we had, okay, let me actually mark this. Okay, know that this was the last higher high we marked, so we recorded. The market formed lower low. All these are market structures. Then another lower low. Okay. This is lower low. Then we made higher high. Okay. Higher high. Now we eventually made a lower low. Okay. For us now, for 4-hour time frame to go bullish, we need the market to break this, as we all know, this lower high. Very important. Okay, so for now, what we have is 20% because because weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, and 4-hour is bearish. AOI 10%. Okay, our area of interest. Market is actually at our area of interest right now. Okay, you can see on daily time frame. You can see that's our area of interest because we had our 1, 2, 3 zones. Okay, so our area of interest, market is there already. Then psychological level, we throw in a line and check on the 1,500. Okay, we have 1,000. We just put it on 105 and see what will happen. 105. Okay, so the psychological level is in. All right, so that's our psychological level is in 105. Okay, so I give it 5%. Then rejection from previous structural level. Our previous structural level is this. Okay, can see market rejected. As we dropped here, market rejected. Yes, I will give that 10%. You see how to form your confluence. All right, then candlestick rejection. Exactly, you can see it right there. You give it 10%. So DXY is ready to go up. That's what you're about to see. EMA, yes, 5%. Okay, you can look at and see all we are having here. EMA. So EMA market is touching the EMA. A market rejected on daily. So entry is to check if market is now ready on 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, and 15 minutes. So you can see we don't have any break of structure yet. So those ones should be 0. Okay, so what we need for us to know that, okay, DXY is now ready to go up is when we break this zone. What did I draw? So if market breaks here, retest, then we start going up. So using the matrix we now got on DXY, we now go to EURUSD and now analyze and check what is going on there. So before you can say, hey, DXY wants to go up, we must make sure we have a shift of market structure. Very important. So for now, there is nothing to do. Okay. So on EURUSD, in as much as we are stopped out, notwithstanding, okay, I'm just saying two things, two similarities. Okay, so what we now wait for is maybe market should come up here, test this, come down here more to test this on daily. What I'm seeing, okay, let me just mark it. Come down here to test this block here and start going back up. So on EURUSD, we can see our weekly is still bearish. Our daily is still bearish. Nothing changed. Our 4-hour is bullish. Exactly what you are saying on DXY too. So all we now wait for is to see the market retest this zone. retest this zone right here, give us a fantastic engulfing candle, then we take a long trade. Our market coming down to break this zone, because if here is our higher high, if that's our higher high, here is now our higher low. Okay, here is our higher low. This place is our higher low. So if market can come down to break this zone, making 4-hour time frame bearish, then continue our selling. So this is what I will watch out for next week in the market. All right. So I believe you learned something from this video. Okay, till I see you next time. Trade safely and let the market forever be in your favor. Bye and have a beautiful weekend.